Windows play a crucial role in your home, providing light, ventilation, and insulation while enhancing curb appeal. In Scottsdale, where intense sunlight, heat, and dust can take a toll on windows, it's important to have access to professional window services to keep them functioning and looking their best. Whether you're looking to install new windows, upgrade for energy efficiency, or need repairs, here's an overview of the top Scottsdale window services available to meet your needs. Window installation. Whether you're building a new home, remodeling, or simply want to replace outdated windows, professional window installation is key to ensuring longevity and performance. Scottsdale Window Installation Services focus on choosing and installing windows that can withstand the local climate, providing both durability and energy efficiency. Custom window options. Many Scottsdale providers offer custom window installations to fit your home's architectural style and specific requirements. From energy-efficient vinyl to elegant wood frames, you can choose from a range of materials and designs. Energy-efficient windows. In Scottsdale's hot climate, energy efficiency is a top priority. Many window installation services offer ENERGY STAR certified windows with features like double or triple panes, low-E coatings, and gas fills, which help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce energy bills. Professional installation. A reliable installation service ensures a tight seal, proper insulation, and long-term performance. Poorly installed windows can lead to drafts, moisture issues, and a reduction in energy efficiency, so choosing experienced installers is essential. Window replacement. Over time, windows may show signs of wear, affecting your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and appearance. Scottsdale window replacement services are tailored to upgrade old or damaged windows, often with high-performance options designed to withstand the local climate. Signs you need replacement. Common signs include drafts, condensation between panes, difficulty opening or closing, and visible damage. If your energy bills have increased or if your windows don't insulate well, it may be time for a replacement. Material choices. Window replacement services in Scottsdale offer a variety of materials to choose from, including vinyl, fiberglass, wood, and aluminum. Each material has its own benefits and is suited to different budgets and styles, with vinyl and fiberglass being popular for their durability and low maintenance. Increased property value. Replacing old windows can boost curb appeal and increase the overall value of your property. Many window services offer styles that add a modern or classic look to match your home's design, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. Window repair. Sometimes, a full replacement isn't necessary, and window repair services can address common issues while extending the lifespan of your windows. Scottsdale window repair experts can fix everything from minor damage to more complex issues without the expense of a complete replacement. Glass repairs. Cracked or shattered glass is a common problem, particularly in areas with fluctuating temperatures. Repair services can replace single or double pane glass, helping restore both safety and insulation. Frame and seal repairs. Damaged frames or seals can lead to drafts and energy loss. Repair services can restore frames, weather stripping, and seals, keeping your windows airtight and energy efficient. Hardware repairs. Broken locks, latches, or hinges can compromise both security and functionality. Scottsdale window repair professionals can often replace these small parts, restoring your windows to full operation at a fraction of the cost of new ones. Window cleaning and maintenance. Scottsdale's dusty environment and intense sunlight can lead to buildup on window glass, reducing visibility and affecting the overall appearance of your home. Regular window cleaning and maintenance are essential to keeping your windows in pristine condition. Professional cleaning services. Scottsdale window cleaning services use professional-grade solutions and techniques to remove dirt, dust, and streaks. This not only improves the appearance of your windows but also helps maintain the clarity and lifespan of the glass. Routine inspections. Some window service providers offer maintenance plans that include periodic inspections to check for wear and tear. Early detection of minor issues, like damaged seals or small cracks, can prevent larger, more costly repairs in the future. UV protection films. In areas with intense sun exposure, some window services offer UV protective films. These films can help block harmful UV rays that fade interiors and reduce heat buildup, making your windows more energy efficient. Emergency window services. Accidents happen, and sometimes windows break unexpectedly. Scottsdale's emergency window services provide fast response times and repairs to help secure your home as soon as possible. Fast glass replacement. Broken windows leave your home vulnerable to the elements and security risks. Emergency services prioritize immediate glass replacement to restore security and safety. Temporary solutions. If a full repair or replacement can't be completed immediately, emergency services often offer temporary solutions, like boarding up windows, to protect your home until permanent repairs can be made. From installation to repair, Scottsdale Window Services offer a range of options to keep your windows performing well and looking great. Whether you need to install energy-efficient windows, replace outdated ones, or maintain existing windows, working with a trusted local provider can ensure you get the quality and expertise you need. Scottsdale's climate presents unique challenges for windows, and having access to these specialized services helps protect your investment, improve comfort, and boost curb appeal. With the right window service, your home will be better prepared to handle Scottsdale's heat, dust, and UV exposure for years to come.